What is good, folks? Since I am obviously a creator and some of you are liking what I do here, it's been a while since I did like a product review. So if you've seen this and like you're near Target, Walmart, Amazon, whatever, the Vivitar 9 full color key light with taxes, I paid about 26 bucks for it, right? It's supposed to be like on a stand, and it's supposed to be like super bright and good for like, gaming or, social media streaming or whatever. We're gonna check this out and see if it's actually worth 26 bucks. It's got that new smell. Empty box, which means it's all on the brown. I don't know why I thought it was just gonna be like, I was gonna be able to put my hand through this. Maybe it's because of the picture. It's a little misleading. Let's do the stand first. I'm probably not going to return this. I'm not going to put all this back in there the same way. Of course, most people who return stuff don't do that anyway, so. But I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep it. It looks pretty cool so far. Here's the bottom piece that sits on the ground. Pretty sturdy. This is really well packaged for $26. All right, we're just going to screw this. Yeah, it's got a, wait, hold on. No, it doesn't really jiggle. It's pretty sturdy. They got instructions that I don't want to look at. Now, I've bought ring lights that didn't come with instructions. So that's already 2 stars because they came with instructions, which means they're not cheap. Here's a bag for the remote and phone holder and all that I don't feel like learning about. Oh, this is for like so this takes like a little flathead battery. Those little flathead circle batteries you put in tiny stuff for the phone. Oh, cool. Tighten that up. Is that as tall as it gets? Oh, there we go. Hold on. Y'all check this out from a wider view. See this? Oops. I really hate long extended videos. So I try to make everything short and sweet and straight to the point. Like when I look at product reviews, I don't want to come to hear you talk. I don't want to come to see a 10-20 minute video. I just go boom, boom, boom. There you go. Here it is. It's worth the money. Take it or leave it. This piece goes here to keep the head still. I'm going to be 100% honest with y'all. This is always going to hold my camera because the face tracker is just so amazing. You guys got to go check out my face tracker video. It's short, sweet, and to the point. But I would rather let this hold my camera than let this hold my camera because number one, it doesn't follow me around the room. Number two, it's not really that tall. Like literally, look, I'm like 5'8". It comes up to like half my size. I mean, I guess that's fine as far as where you want the light to beam on you, but like, I mean, it depends on your setup, I guess. Maybe if you put this up on the table or shine it from the side, it'll do good if it's like pitch black in the room or something. Now this is easy to work right here. It's a little confusing at first, but you just like peel this back. See? Peel this back. Snap it on. And then you just folds it over whatever level is tight enough. There's like 4 bars right here. Real simple. This goes inside of it so it's more snug. I didn't know what this was for. I almost threw it away. See, the rubber keeps it in place. And then you just screw this thing just to make the phone tight so it doesn't go limp. Only thing that's on these instructions is a bunch of rules I'm not gonna follow. Oh, it folds open. There's even like a little QR code right here in case you want instructions for how to use it, but we're doing that here anyway. So if you don't trust me, go to this, I guess. All right, let's get it. Has a powering conduit. Boom. All right. Let there be light. Oh my gosh. Let's turn this light off. Boom. Whew. Man, this thing is bright. Let me push this thing back some. All right. Let me bring y'all a little bit closer. Hello. Okay. Oh my gosh, that makes me so crisp. That's cool. This is how you dim the light. Oh shoot. That's how you move through the colors. Oh wow. There's a lot of different colors. White, color. Oh, white. Oh, okay. The arrows at the bottom are how you shift through the colors. FX, whatever that means. Whoa. It's like doing this like, well, you can't really see it, but it's just doing like a spinny, trippy spiel. I don't know what this is for. That's weird. Color. Yellow, green, blue. They said there's like 27 of these. And this is how you dim it. Oh, hold up. What the heck? Oh, there's like a white. There's like a, darn it. Focus. There's a sun at the top and a dimmer at the bottom. So dim it down, brighten it up. Good Lord, don't blind yourself. And off, on, off, on. Okay, now let me turn the main light back on. Boop. Okay, video, boop. Like that. There we go. Okay, so for $26, I would say it's worth it. It's very well worth the money. This took me 20 minutes to record, but it won't be 20 minutes by the time I finish editing this thing. So you better appreciate it. So yeah, that is the Vivitar Creator Series 9. They want to call it a key light, I guess, since ring light has already been taken. But color key light, different colors and stuff that you can cycle through. 26 bucks. You can set it up anywhere. It's pretty bright. It like literally the flooding light literally fills the room. So I would say I definitely got my money's worth. So I'm gonna wrap this up with a quick picture of what it looks like, and do with whatever it is you got out of this video what you will. I don't have a link in the description. I'm not big enough for that type of stuff yet, but it would help if you like and subscribe. So y'all have a good day, and I'll holla at you. See you later with more simple, less stupid.